So Lindsay, let's talk about the most exciting project that you've been working on this year.
Sure. So I would say, without a doubt, that's something called Next Available Appointment. It is our new agent servicing technology platform. And we talked a little bit about time being a commodity. This totally plays into that. So I have someone genius on my team named Randy Bragdon out of the West. I call him like my Silicon Valley king. And he had this idea to roll out a virtual appointment setting tool where we're not just looking at our talent from a marketing perspective in the areas that they work, but rather the entire country. So we know that when an agent needs support, they need it now. And in some cases, we can't be in every office at every time, but there is downtime that we weren't maximizing. So what Next Available Appointment does is it looks at my entire team across the country, all 100 plus marketers, their availability by their calendars, and it puts it into this back end of Next Available Appointment. And when an agent needs to meet with someone, they may not be meeting with someone if they live in California. They may meet with someone in Massachusetts or Texas or Rhode Island. But now they can have an appointment with someone on our marketing team in as little as 2 hours the same day. So we have transcended the way that we do our agent servicing. We've even extended this to Sundays because we know that real estate is not a Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 business. And we are seeing incredible adoption. We're seeing a 98% resolution rate. So people in these 20-minute appointments are getting the help that they need. We're seeing, 4.7 out of 5 stars in terms of satisfaction. So we're really excited about that. Over 6,000 appointments. So we're really seeing great adoption of this tool as well. And we really liken this to Teladoc. So when you think about Teladoc and you have a sore throat, you need a quick fix, you have that ability to call someone. It's very much like this. If you have a quick marketing support need, you call Next Available, you get on with someone, you do a FaceTime, you solve that problem. If you still need to go into the doctor for a full physical, just like you would do a full marketing plan, this is not in replacement of in-office support, it's supplemental. So I love the fact that we can still have the power of the marketing team sitting with you in person, but now this supplemental really quick fix with any of our marketers across the country.
No, that's amazing. And that probably came as a request from your agents who wanted this immediate support and were not able to get it.
Yes.
And then you created, so this constant connection, communication, that's what brings products like that to life.
Absolutely. Yep. We listen to their needs. We try to figure out how to pivot as quickly as possible. And launching this absolutely was an answer to something that was in demand.
And just a few words about professional, intelligent marketing strategy for every property.
Sure.
How do you feel about that? And I'm sure you also offer support to your agents when they're confused. Should they, yes, listing concierge is amazing, but maybe they should add something else, and what strategy they should go with. How do they solve? Do they go to their manager? Do they go to the marketing department?
Sure. Managers are the backbone of our entire business. So I would say agents are getting a ton of coaching and strategy from their managers. We work in tandem with them. So the power of our team is, to your point, every property needs something a little different. We want to stand out in a sea of sameness to win the listing, to market the listing. So yes, our marketing team will go in, make an appointment with an agent and assess the needs and figure out how to marry the best of what we have to offer in terms of our value prop, our marketing suite, our technology stack with the needs of that agent. And I think that is very different than what a lot of brokerages, especially the indies, are able to offer, is that really sound strategic advice in real time as they need it. So I've had agents say, I had someone from your marketing team sit with me last night, 9 o'clock at night, to put together a marketing package. We won the listing. I couldn't be more grateful. There's nothing more rewarding than hearing that. That's magic to hear that our marketing team could really do that for an agent, make the difference in their business and in their life. You know, when you think back to college and high school, you think about the night that you really studied well for a test and you go in knowing I'm going to crush this. That's the feeling we want to give our agents when they're going into a listing presentation, saying, I'm going to crush this. I have everything that I need, cutting edge marketing, world-class technology. We want them to feel like they're so prepared that they've left everything on the table. And if that ultimately they don't end up winning, there's nothing else they could have done. We want them to win and we want them to feel confident, but we really want them to feel like they've got the best of the best walking in so that they're excited and never nervous.